Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Silverado is probably one of the most iconic and capable pickup trucks on the market, renowned for its robust performance, impressive towing capacity, and a wide range of configurations designed to meet the diverse needs of hardworking individuals and families alike, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a reliable and powerful vehicle for both work and adventure. Number 5. They both die at the end. In a world where death can be foreseen, this is a story that explores the profound themes of mortality. It delves into what it means to face the end. Follow the journey of two young men who discover their fate on the same day. Their unexpected connection forms the heart of this tale. With their final day ahead, they embark on an adventure to live a lifetime in a single day. It's about seizing every moment. This narrative captures the essence of a powerful friendship forged under extraordinary circumstances. Their bond becomes a beacon of hope. It's a poignant reminder to cherish every experience and relationship. This book encourages readers to embrace life fully, no matter the circumstances. Discover a story that intertwines two lives destined to end together. It's a moving exploration of love, loss, and the beauty of the present. What we like. This novel offers a deeply emotional journey about cherishing every moment. It explores the profound bonds of friendship and the acceptance of life's end. If you're looking for a story that will make you reflect on life and love, this is the one for you. What people say. The premise is unique and thought-provoking. Two strangers find out they're going to die within 24 hours and decide to spend their last day together. Adam Silvera's writing is raw and emotional, and I was completely invested in the characters from the start. Mateo Torres and Rufus Amaterio are strangers with one big thing in common. They are both going to die today. Number 4. Chevy and GMC 4.3 LV6 Pickup Repair Manual, 67 to 91. Are you looking to maintain your classic Chevy or GMC truck? This manual covers a wide range of models from 1967 to 1991. It provides detailed instructions for the 4.3 LV6 engine in various truck and SUV models. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with expert guidance. Whether you own a pickup, Suburban, Blazer, or Jimmy, this guide has the information you need. It spans model years 1967 through 1991. Tackle repairs and maintenance with confidence. This manual is designed to help you understand and fix common issues yourself. Trust in the quality of Haynes repair manuals. This comprehensive guide is an invaluable resource for any owner of these iconic vehicles. What we like. This manual is your ultimate guide for maintaining your classic Chevy or GMC truck. With detailed diagrams and troubleshooting tips, you can tackle any repair yourself. If you own one of these iconic vehicles and want to keep it running smoothly, this is an essential tool. What people say. This is a repair manual, it's accurate. The illustrations and explanations are excellent also for diagnosing my truck's problem. This book was advertised as used, the fact that I can't tell says a lot. Number 3. Western film scores. Experience the epic soundscapes that define the classic Western films. These are the iconic scores from the legendary movies of John Wayne and John Ford. Relive the adventures of the Duke through his unforgettable film music. These tracks capture the spirit of the rugged cowboy and the vast American frontier. Immerse yourself in the sweeping orchestral pieces that accompanied John Ford's masterful storytelling. Hear the music that brought his cinematic worlds to life. Transport yourself to the dusty plains and majestic mountains with these authentic recordings. Feel the drama, the romance, and the heroism of the Old West. Discover the enduring power of these classic Western themes. They evoke a sense of adventure and a bygone era, perfect for any fan of the genre. What we like. Immerse yourself in the legendary sounds of the Wild West. This collection features the unforgettable music from the classic Westerns directed by John Ford and starring John Wayne. If you're a fan of epic Westerns and their powerful soundtracks, this album will transport you. What people say. This is 3/4 of a truly great album. It contains original soundtrack music from Stagecoach, Fort Apache, Three Godfathers, She Wore a Yellow Ribbon, Rio Grande, and The Horse Soldiers. All those cuts are excellent and authentic. The quality of the CD was exceptional and the delivery was prompt. What a collection of themes from some of John Ford's classic Western films. This fine collection is a must-have, remastered, clear and a nice stroll down Movieland land. Number 2. Silverado Original Soundtrack. Immerse yourself in the unforgettable music from the Silverado film. This soundtrack captures the heart and soul of the Western epic. Let the sweeping melodies transport you to the rugged landscapes and thrilling moments. Each track tells a story, echoing the film's powerful narrative. Relive the cinematic experience with its original score. The music was crafted to perfectly complement the visual storytelling and emotional depth. Discover a collection of songs that have become as legendary as the movie itself. These are tunes you'll want to listen to again and again. Own a piece of film history with the official release. It's the definitive audio companion to your favorite Western adventure. What we like. Experience the thrilling adventure all over again with its original soundtrack. The music captures the spirit and excitement of the film's epic journey. If you love the movie and want to relive its most memorable moments through music, this is a must-have. What people say. Entrada Records released this version in 2005 and it is definitely the one to get. There is 1 hour and 26 minutes of music here spread out on 2 CDs. They have the never-released material and an original version of the Q Jake Gets Tyree. Entrada always packages their products well with bonus material, great CD covers, and liner notes with photos history of the film. Bruce Broughton's Silverado can definitely take you on plenty of adventures with each listen. It is one of those timeless classics that will still be played long after you and I are gone. This is the actual soundtrack taken from the original 24-track tapes which Sony made available for the first time. The 1985 soundtrack release was made the way soundtrack albums always had been. It was a re-recording of the score with a smaller orchestra with some music rearranged to make standard-length album tracks. So what you get here is 80 minutes of the score compared to 45 on the old CD. There are also 3 bonus tracks bringing total time up to 86 minutes. Number 1. Silverado Family Christmas. Experience the magic of the season with Silverado Family Christmas. Gather your loved ones for an unforgettable holiday celebration. Create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. It's the perfect opportunity to reconnect and share the joy of Christmas. Immerse yourself in the warm and festive spirit of the holidays. Enjoy delightful decorations and a joyful atmosphere. Make this Christmas truly special with unique experiences and heartwarming traditions. We've prepared something for everyone. Join us for a wonderful celebration that embodies the true meaning of Christmas. We can't wait to share this joyous occasion with you. What we like. Get into the holiday spirit with this collection of festive songs. It's perfect for creating a warm and joyful atmosphere for the entire family. If you're looking for the ideal soundtrack to your Christmas celebrations, this will fill your home with cheer. What people say. Needed a new Christmas album to shake things up and this is it. Love Crystal Yates and Joe Diffie and now I have some other new artists to follow. Not normal a big fan of Christmas tracks, but Joe Diffie is on this and I had to get it, so glad I did. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.